Haino hai kai tham shalai mungna de bro resettlement in nashing para asha para de khasnam para Amchaini Lukurok Kaisa masrili Khlaiwi SDM ni Thani Yapharlaikha Deputation Ashali masrili Khlaizakha Kanchanpur 3 junction Amchaini simi SDM tangnok zora aba hakino bro resettlement Amchaini Lukurok phaiman jakha shalo apni agla ashalo kok sanani thangai panaw manjaknai adongrok shaka dakte bro resettlement Amchaini tongnai Lukurok ni manthai rjaknani bagai ashanmung bisingo tongo AAY ration card sep resettlement contract go tongmani haike hubar khlainai rokni thaibak jaknani borokni joto manthai sokthai rok rjaknani bagai abono rogino tangshalo khlaijaka masrilete kothomlaimung.
Location people will not simply sit unless and until our demand is not success. And the last point is the registration of our plot. Already all of us, everyone, we know that 30 by 40 plot has been given to each and every family. We are very happy, we are very thankful to the government. But at the same time, that 30 by 40 feet of plot is not registered in our names. So legal documentation should be granted immediately so that our 30 by 40 plot which is given to us will be in our names. That is what we want, so that we can enjoy other government facility also. By demanding these 3 points today, we gather here in the Kanchanpur to submit memorandum to SDM office. We will submit memorandum to Chief Secretary of Tripura to our SDM. So this is our demand, and it is very short and clear that it is our right. It is our right to demand, as well as it is already written in the agreement also. That's why we, our people, lastly, we want to know everybody that
Ashlo Kanchanpur ni dalbidal amsio bereman yagola SDM tangnok biskango phai mathak zakha abni yaglo no Yapharlaikha memorandum Kanchanpur ni simi sonje tiang ni kokthum Chini Khorang.